Got vertical lines on your TV? Don't panic. Here's a quick fix that might save your screen. These lines usually happen due to a loose or corroded connection inside your TV. Let me show you how to fix it. First, unplug the TV and carefully remove the back cover. Look for these small yellow ribbon cables connecting to the screen. Find out the problem. Watch this. When I apply gentle pressure, the line disappears. That means there's a bad connection. Fix 1. The tape trick. To fix this, try the tape trick. Place a small piece of tape over the weak connection and reassemble the TV. Fix 2. Cleaning the connection. If there's dust or corrosion, clean it with a toothbrush and isopropyl alcohol. And just like that, your TV might be back to normal. Try it out and let me know if it works for you. Like and subscribe for more quick fixes.